In the previous tutorial, /post/rust tutorial /, we built a REST API with OXUM using in-memory storage. Now we add a real database with SQLX. Let's break it down. Data models define your Rust structs with derive from row to map database rows to structs. From row tells SQLX how to convert a database row into your struct. Column names must match field names. Connection pool. Always use a connection pool in production. It reuses connections instead of creating new ones for each query. Connection strings for SQLite. SQLite. Memory. In-memory database. Lost when program exits. SQLite. AppDB. File-based database. SQLite. AppDB. Mode equals RWC. Create the file if it does not exist. Creating tables. Run migrations to create your tables. SQLX. Query. Creates a query. .execute. Pool. Runs it and returns the number of affected rows. For table creation, we do not need the result. Insert. Creating records. Key points. Use. As parameter placeholders for SQLite and MySQL. PostgreSQL uses $1, $2, etc. Select. Reading records. Fetch one record. Fetch methods. Fetch_1 returns exactly one row. Errors if 0 or multiple rows. Fetch_optional returns option T. Update. Modifying records. Check rows_affected to know if the update actually changed anything. If it is 0, the record does not exist. Toggle completed, not completed flips the Boolean in SQL. Delete. Removing records returns true if a row was actually deleted, false if the ID did not exist. Bulk delete. Transactions. When multiple queries must succeed or fail together, use a transaction. Key points. Pool.begin starts a transaction. Pass and mut.tx instead of pool to queries inside the transaction. tx.commit saves all changes. If the function returns an error before commit, the transaction is rolled back automatically when tx is dropped when to use transactions. Multiple inserts that must all succeed or all fail. Read then update operations to prevent race conditions. Moving data between tables atomically. Query versus query underscore as SQLX. Query. Dynamic results returns generic rows you access by column name. SQLX. Query underscore as. Typed results maps results directly to a struct. Use query underscore as when you have a struct with from row. Use query for simple values or ad hoc queries. Compile time checked queries. SQLX can check your SQL at compile time. This catches typos, wrong column names, and type mismatches before you run the program. The query underscore as. Macro checks the query against a real database at compile time. Putting it all together here is a complete program that demonstrates all CRUD operations. Testing with in-memory databases. SQLX with SQLite is easy to test. Create an in-memory database for each test. Each test gets its own in-memory database. Tests run in parallel without interference. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Not using a connection pool. Mistake 2. String concatenation in SQL. Mistake 3. Using fetch_1 when row might not exist.